Let's make this adorable hand towel with embroidered towel topper that you can use to hang in your kitchen. So first you're going to need some stabilizer tearaway, a small piece of batting, an embroidery hoop, a ready-made hand towel, as well as some rectangles and squares of your favorite scrap fabric. You're also going to need a button. So first we're going to hoop our tearaway stabilizer nice and tight and then stitch out our first placement line. Then on the towel, mark down the center with an erasable pen, and if your towel is really long, just fold up about 1/3 or 1/4 of the length and then mark the middle of the line and tape your towel down in place. Stitch the next step. Remove from your machine and then place your batting over the placement lines as well as your fabric and tape down in place. Take to your embroidery machine and stitch out that next step. Grab some sharp scissors and trim away your batting and fabric close to the stitching line. Then place your 2 side squares of fabric over the circles and go stitch. Trim close to those edges and then repeat for the center circle ornament and stitch in place. You guessed it, trim around that circle too. And now clean up that back edge and get your backing fabric to tape over everything. Stitch out your next step to hold that backing in place. Grab those scissors again and trim around your backing close to the seam. Now you're going to go ahead and stitch those next steps like the quilting lines, the embroidery hooks for the ornaments, and then my favorite part, the outlines. So you're going to want to match your bobbin thread definitely to these thread stitching lines. This step also includes stitching out the buttonhole right within the embroidery design. The fun part is to remove your project from the hoop and tear away that stabilizer. Trim some excess threads and then cut open your buttonhole. Fold over, mark your button, and hand sew it in place. Now it's ready to go to your kitchen and hang on your favorite appliance or hook, and it's ready to use.